If you're wondering how you can start a YouTube channel and make money with it, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start a YouTube channel and make money with it. And you don't need to worry about creating your own content, because with this method I'm about to show you, you don't even have to create your own videos. I'll show you how you can use content that is already on YouTube. All you have to do is do little edits to the videos and re-upload them back to YouTube. And then you'll make money. It's that simple. If you're wondering if this is even legal, don't worry, because this method is 100% legal as long as it falls under something called the fair use. I will show you channels that are doing this method and making a lot of money with it. So let's get into the video. First of all, if you're serious about YouTube and you want to learn every single trick to creating a successful YouTube channel, I'll drop a link in the description, so make sure you check it out. This is exactly the course I used to make over $30,000 on a single YouTube channel. Okay, the kind of YouTube channel we'll be creating is known as a faceless YouTube channel, or simply a YouTube cash cow. The main reason for this kinds of channel is mainly to make money from the ad revenue, so we wouldn't need to show our faces. These kinds of channels have some advantages to them. For instance, you can outsource the creation of the videos, or simply automate the entire process and just sit down and watch your money grow. A good example of this type of channel is TechZone. If you go to the channel and open any of their videos, you'll be able to see where they got the video clips they used in that video by simply looking in the description. You will see that they list the video clips they used to create the video you just watched and links pointing to the YouTube channels where they got the video clips from. So this channel basically makes money by re-uploading videos they got on YouTube and other websites, which I'm going to reveal to you in this video. TechZone is a tech channel, but we'll be creating videos in a different niche. I'll go with the billionaire lifestyle niche or the white noise niche, mainly because with these niches, all I have to do is download the videos, rearrange them and re-upload them back onto YouTube. Anyone can do this, and if you're wondering if this works, I have two channels to show you. The first one is Relaxing White Noise. If you look through their channels, you can see that most of their videos are around 10 hours and more. People come on this channel to play sounds to help them sleep, relax, amongst other things. The channel has more than 2 million subscribers, so this means that this method is working, and the person that owns this channel didn't even have to do any work. All they had to do is simply download sound effects and turn that into a video. The second channel I want to show you is Build Empire. This channel has over 100,000 subscribers, and if you look at the videos that they are creating, it's not hard at all. They don't even say anything in the video, they just show these cool clips of expensive cars and a billionaire lifestyle. I'll show you how we can make something like that. The first step is to create a YouTube channel. To do this, all you have to do is log into your YouTube account, click on your profile picture, go to Settings, and add a channel. After you've created your channel, you want to get content to post on that channel that you created. If you want to create content like the one you saw on TechZone, all you have to do is follow the links they post in the description of their videos, download the videos, and create your own version of the same videos that they made. You can do this with any YouTube channel that is like TechZone. Channels like The Richest, 5 Minutes Crafts, or Most Amazing Top 10. You just have to remember to make your videos a little different, otherwise YouTube will not monetize your channel, and that will just defeat the purpose of creating your channel in the first place. Another place you can get free content to use for your videos is Pixabay and Pexels. These are websites where you can get 100% free videos to use anyhow you want. You just have to enter a keyword like luxury lifestyle, and a ton of video results will come up for you, and you can download any one of them you want. If it's a YouTube video you want to download, you just have to go to savefrom.net and paste the link to the YouTube video there, and your video will start downloading in no time. Once you've downloaded all the video clips you want to use, the next step will be to edit the videos and make it your own, and this step shouldn't take a long while. I use a paid software called Filmora, but you can use OpenShot. It is similar to Filmora, and you should be able to follow along in this video if you use it. Plus, it is totally free. Just watch how I edit the video. When you're done editing your video clips into a video and you add a soundtrack to make it nice and stand out, all you need to do next is simply export your video. When your video is done exporting, the next thing you need to do is upload it to YouTube. But before that, you will want to design a custom thumbnail for your video. I'll be using canva.com to design the thumbnail. When the thumbnail is ready, just download it. Now you just upload the video to YouTube. That's it. Now all you have to do is create more videos like this and post them on your YouTube channel. Get monetized, and whenever somebody watches your video, you will get paid by YouTube. This method is not going to make you a millionaire, but if you work hard and keep posting videos, you will start making money. Also, remember to keep uploading videos so more people can see your videos. Because on YouTube, if you post one video, that's one video working for you. But if you have 1,000 videos, that is 1,000 videos working for you. If you go online and check out those channels that you admire that are getting thousands and thousands of views, you'll realize they're not getting those thousands of views with just one video. They have hundreds of views. So in order to get people to see your video more often, you will need to post more videos. So you posted your first video. The next step is to post more videos so that more people will see your videos, and soon you will get monetized, and soon you will start making money. And that's it, how you make money with YouTube. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, or you just want to take your YouTube business to the next level, you will want to learn every single trick that goes into creating a successful YouTube channel. I'll drop a link in the description, so make sure you check it out. That is the exact course I used to make over $30,000 on a single YouTube channel. So click on that link and take your business to the next level. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.